Hello everyone, good day for all. Welcome back to yet another episode of Ayurveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. We are discussing the Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya in Study Ashtanga Hridaya series. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last video, we discussed about Lavana in Aushadha Varga. Moving with the Aushadha Varga, the properties of Kshara. Basically, Kshara refers to alkali. The plants or the dravyas which are being used for preparing the Kshara are collected. They are burnt and made into ash, and this is the base for the Kshara. And the potency of this Kshara depends on the dravyas which has been used for the preparation. Based on the dravyas, Tikshna dravyas or the Mrudu dravyas, the properties of the Kshara also varies. So moving with the properties of Yavakshara. Gulma Hridgrahini Pandu Plihanaha Galamayan Shwasa Arsha Kapakasamsha Shamayet Yavashukajaha. Gulma Hridgrahini Pandu Pliha Anaha Galamayan Shwasa Arsha Kapakasan Cha Shamayet Yavashukajaha. Gulma Hridgrahini Pandu Pliha Anaha Galamayan Shwasa Arsha Kapakasan Cha Shamayet Yavashukajaha. Yavakshara is the kshara which is being prepared from the yava or barley. The properties are: it cures gulma, that is abnormal mass, hridroga, cardiac diseases, grahani, the bowel disorders, pandu, anemia, pliha, splenomegaly, and also it helps in curing anaha, that is abdominal distension, galamaya, the diseases of throat, shwasa, breathing difficulty, arsha, hemorrhoids, kaphakasan, the cough which is being predominant of kapha dosha. Moving with the properties of kshara in general. Ksharaha sarvascha paramam tikshnoshnaha krimijit lakhu pittasrit dushanaha pagi chedi ahridyo vidaranaha apatyaha katulavanyat shukra ojaha kesha chakshusham. Ksharaha sarvaha cha paramam tikshna ushnaha krimijit lakhu pitta asrak dushanaha pagi chedi ahridyo vidaranaha apatyaha katu lavanyat shukra ojaha kesha chakshusham. Ksharaha sarvaha cha paramam tikshna ushnaha krimijit lakhu pitta asrak dushanaha pagi chedi ahridyo vidaranaha apatyaha katu lavanyat shukra ojaha kesha chakshusham. The general properties of kshara, it is parama tikshna ushna, that is extremely sharp and hot. It is krimijit, cures the worm infestation. It is lakhu, light to digest. Pittasrak dushana, it aggravates the pitta dosha and rakta. Pagi causes separation. It is chedi, that is corrosive. And ahridya, it is not good or it is not delightful. It is vidarana, that produces tearing type of pain or tearing. It is apatya, not good for certain conditions because of the katu lavanya, that is katu and lavana rasa. It is not good for shukra, that is shukra dhadu, not good for oja. It is not good for kesha, that is hair. It is also not good for the chakshusha, that is vision. Moving with the properties of hinku. Hinku vadakapha anaha shulaknam pittakopanam katupagarasam ruchyam deepanam pajanam lakhu. Hingu vadakapha anaha shulaknam pittakopanam katupagarasam ruchyam deepanam pajanam lakhu. Hingu vadakapha anaha shulaknam pittakopanam katupagarasam ruchyam deepanam pajanam lakhu. The properties of hinku are: it is katu rasa and katu vipaka. It is having ruchya property, that improves the taste. It is deepana, it improves the digestive power or helps in agni deepti. Pachana helps in the digestion, and lakhu, very light to digest. And it is vata kapha shamana, that is pacifies the vata and kapha dosha. Pitta kopana, it aggravates the pitta dosha. Anaha, it cures the abdominal distension. Shulakna, it cures pain. Moving with the properties of group of medicines. Moving first with Triphala. Triphala is a group of medicines such as Haritaki, Amalaki and Vibhitaki. Individually, moving with the properties of Haritaki. Kashaya Madhura Page Ruksha Vilavana Lakhu Deepani Pachani Medhya Vayasaha Stapani Param Ushnavirya Sara Ayushya Buddhindriya Balaprada Kushta Vaivarnya Vaiswarya Purana Vishamajwaran Shiro Akshi Pandu Hridroga Kamala Grahani Gadan Sashosha Shofa Atisara Meda Moha Vamikrimin Shvasakasa Prasekarshaha Plihanaha Garodaram Vibandham Srotasam Gulma Urustambam Arochakam Haritagi Jayed Vyathin Tams Tamscha Kapha Vadajan Kashaya Madhura Page Ruksha Vilavana Lakhuhu Deepani Pajani Methya Vayasaha Sthapani Param Ushnavirya Sara Ayushya Buddhi Indriya Belaprada Kushta Vaivarnya Vaiswarya Purana Vishamajwaran Shira Akshi Pandu Hridroga Kamala Grahani Gadan Sashosha Shofa Atisara Meda Moha Vami Krimin Shvasa Kasa Praseka Arshaha Pliha Anaha Gara Udaram Vibandham Srodasam Gulmam Urustambam Arochakam Haritaki Jayet Vyathin Tan Cha Kapha Vatajan Kashaya Madhura Page Ruksha Vilavana Lakhuhu Deepani Pajani Medhya Vayasaha Sthapani Param Ushnavirya Sara Ayushya Buddhi Indriya Belaprada Kushta Vaivarnya Vaiswarya Purana Vishamajwaran Shira Akshi Pandu Hridroga Kamala Grahani Gadan Sashosha Shofa Atisara Meda Moha Vami Krimin Shvasa Kasa Praseka Arshaha Pliha Anaha Gara Udaram Vibandham Srodasam Gulmam Urustambam Arochakam Haritaki Jayet Vyathin Tan Cha Kapha Vadajan. The properties of Haritaki are: it is having Kashaya Rasa predominantly and Vilavana devoid of Lavana Rasa. Haritaki is having all the 5 rasas except Lavana, in which the Kashaya Rasa is being more predominant. It is having Madhura Vipaka, it is Ruksha or rough, Lakhu light to digest, it is having Ushnavirya. And this Haritaki is having the properties such as Deepani, that improves the digestive power. It is Pajani, helps in digestion. Sara, laxative. It is Methya, it improves the intellect, especially the cognition will be improved. Vayasaha Sthapani, it is anti-aging. Ayushya, it promotes the longevity of life. Buddhi Indriya Belaprada, it improves the intellect and sensory perception. That is, Buddhi and Indriya Bela will be increased. It cures Kushta, that is skin diseases, Vaivarnya, discoloration of the skin, Vaiswarya, abnormalities of the voice, Purana Jvara, a type of fever which has been produced for a long time, Vishamajvara, another variety of fever, Shiroroga, the diseases of the head, and Akshiroga, diseases related to eyes. And also Haritaki is good in conditions, or it helps in curing Pandu, that is anemia, Hridroga, cardiac disorders, Kamala, jaundice, Grahani Gata, the bowel related disorders, Shosha, emaciation, Shofa, edema or swelling, Atisara, diarrhea. It also cures Meda, that is increased Meda, Dhatu or diabetic condition, Moha, that is fainting or delusion or confusion, such problems, Vami, vomiting, Krimi, worm infestation, Shvasa, dyspnea or breathing difficulties, Kasa, cough, Praseka, excessive salivation, and also it cures Arsha, that is hemorrhoids, Pliha, the disorders of spleen, Anaha, abdominal distension, Gara, a type of poison, Udara, ascites, Vibandham Srodasam, it removes the obstruction which has been caused in the Srotas. Gulma, abnormal mass also will be cured. Also, thus Haritaki helps in curing the conditions such as Urustamba. It is a condition in which the thighs of the person or the patient will be affected and he won't be able to move the thighs, and severe pain and stiffness of the thighs will be present. So in such condition, Haritaki help in curing. Arochaka is tastelessness. Kapha-Vadajan Vyathin, and all the diseases which are being related Kapha and Vada origin will also be reduced or pacified by the use of Haritaki. Moving with the properties of Amalaki. Tadvat Amalakam Sheetam Amlam Pitta Kaphapaham. Tadvat Amalakam Sheetam Amlam Pitta Kaphapaham. Tadvat Amalakam Sheetam Amlam Pitta Kaphapaham. Amalaki or Indian gooseberry is having similar properties that of Haritaki itself, and other than that, Amalaki is Amla Rasa. It is having Shetavirya, and Pitta Kaphapaham, it pacifies the Kapha and Pitta dosha. Vibhetaki Katupage Himam Keshyam Akshamishaccha Tadgunam. Katupage Himam Keshyam Aksham Ishat cha Tad Gunam. Katupage Himam Keshyam Aksham Ishat cha Tad Gunam. This Vibhetaki is having a synonym called as Aksha, and it is having the properties such as Katu Vipaka, it is Shetavirya, it is Keshyam, that is good for the hair, it is Ishat Tad Gunam. Some of the properties which are similar to Amalaki is seen in Vibhetaki. In general, the properties of Triphala, that is Haritaki, Amalaki and Vibhetaki in together is called as Triphala, and in general the properties of Triphala is Iyam Rasayana Vara Triphala Akshiyamayapaha Ropani Tvagada Kleda Medo Meha Kaphasrajit. Iyam Rasayana Vara Triphala Akshi Amayapaha Ropani Tvagada Kleda Meda Meha Kapha Asrajit. Iyam Rasayanavara Triphala Akshi Amayapaha Ropani Tvag Gada Kleda Meda Meha Kapha Astrajit. The Triphala is having the properties such as Rasayanavara. It is considered as the best rejuvenative dravya. It is Akshi Amayapaha. It cures the eye disorders. It is Ropani, helps in wound healing. It is Tvagada, that is skin diseases. Triphala helps to cure that. Kleda, in discharges also, Triphala help in controlling that. And Meda, in increased Meda Dhadu, Triphala help in curing. And Meha, diabetes also, Triphala helps in controlling diabetic. Kapha Astrajit, that is specifies the Kapha and Rakta. Today we did a portion of Aushadha Varga from Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya. We will be continuing the same in the next videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.